Hey there, online profit pioneers and future affiliate marketing pros. Welcome to our channel and this video. Today, we've got something extra special for all of you beginners out there. The ultimate guide to affiliate marketing for beginners. If you're looking to start your journey into the affiliate marketing world, this video is your roadmap to success. But before we dive into the ultimate guide, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your aspiring affiliate marketer friends. Let's get it. First things first, let's break down the basics. What is affiliate marketing? It's the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You earn a piece of the profit for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Going a little deeper into this, affiliate marketing is essentially a partnership between you and a company that sells a product or service. You become their brand ambassador, promoting their products to your audience. When someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you get a cut of the sale. It's a win-win-win. You help the company make sales, you earn a commission, and you recommend a product that people are looking to buy. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of affiliate marketing. Choosing the right niche is crucial. Your niche is your area of expertise or interest where you will promote products. Let's expand and go a little bit deeper into this. Your niche should be something you're passionate about or knowledgeable about because you will be investing a lot of time into it. It could be anything from fitness to health to technology or even cooking. Selecting the right niche is a foundation of your affiliate marketing journey as it shapes the content you'll create and the products you'll promote. Next up, you'll need to find affiliate programs related to your chosen niche. These are partnerships with companies that offer affiliate opportunities. Expanding on this, there are various ways to find affiliate programs. You can search on affiliate marketing platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or clickbank.com. Many companies have their own affiliate programs, so check their websites for more details. Ensure the programs you choose offer products relevant to your niche and provide competitive commission rates. Another great thing that you can do is literally go onto Google or any search engine and type in the name of your favorite brands and then type in affiliate programs. So for example, you can go into Google and type Adidas affiliate program. Search through those results and look until you find a link that directs you to the Adidas affiliate program. When you get there, you can literally sign up to be an affiliate for their affiliate program. And as soon as you get approved, you can begin promoting all types of Adidas products as an affiliate. And anytime somebody buys any one of those products, you will then earn a commission for promoting their products. Now, how cool is that? Being able to partner with some of the biggest brands in the world through their affiliate program and searching on Google to simply find their affiliate program. Get started with this secret right away. Now let's talk about creating valuable content. Content is the heart of affiliate marketing. You'll need to produce content that's helpful and engaging for your audience. Let's explore this further. Content can come in many forms, such as blog posts, videos, social media posts, or podcasts. One great content creation strategy for affiliate marketing is review videos. When it comes to reviewing a product, this creates the highest level of trust with your audience before they make a buying decision. What you can do is reach out to the creator of the product or service and ask them for a review copy or review access to the product or service. When you receive this access, you then want to go through the product or go through the service or even record yourself unboxing the product, meaning opening up the product from the box or even logging into the website where you can access the product or access the service. By doing this, you show users and your audience what they're going to experience when they get access to this product you are recommending they purchase. This is a very effective strategy of demonstrating what their experience is going to be like with this product before they purchase this product. The great thing about this strategy is that many companies understand the power of review access to affiliates and promoters so they can demonstrate the value of their product to their audience to help them increase sales for their product. Your content should provide value to your audience by addressing their problems or needs. Whether it's a product review, a how-to guide, or informative articles, the goal is to build trust and authority in your niche. Promoting your affiliate products is where the magic happens. You'll need to strategically incorporate your affiliate links into your content. Expanding on this, it is essential to be transparent with your audience about your affiliate links. You can include them in product reviews, comparison articles, or recommendation lists. Effective promotion involves showcasing the benefits of the products and explaining how they can solve your audience's problems. Always focus on providing value and genuinely helping your audience. Building an audience is a vital step in affiliate marketing. Your audience is a group of people who engage with your content and potentially make a purchase through your affiliate links. Let's dive a little bit deeper into this. You can build your audience through various channels such as blogs, YouTube channel, social media, or even building an email list. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and providing consistent value. Over time, your audience will trust your recommendations, making them more likely to click on your affiliate links. Now let's talk about tracking and analyzing your affiliate marketing efforts. It's crucial to measure the performance of your campaigns. Expanding on this, many affiliate programs actually provide tracking tools and reports. Use these to monitor the number of clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. Analyze the data to understand which products and strategies are working best. This information will help you refine your approach and optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. As you gain experience and see success, you can consider scaling your affiliate marketing business. This involves expanding your reach and increasing your income. Let's explore this further. Scaling may involve creating more content, exploring new affiliate programs, or branching out into complementary niches. Remember that success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and dedication to build a substantial income stream through affiliate marketing. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing for beginners. Remember, affiliate marketing is an exciting journey that requires patience and dedication. Expanding on this, let's highlight that success in affiliate marketing is achievable with the right niche, valuable content, and a genuine commitment to helping your audience. So, whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your affiliate marketing skills, this guide is your roadmap to success. Best of luck on your affiliate marketing journey. And thank you so much for tuning into this video today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Give us a thumbs up on this video and share this video with your friends who are eager to kickstart their affiliate marketing journey. Your support means a lot to us. Now go out there and get started on your affiliate marketing adventure. Until next time, online profiteers, take care, and we will see you in the next video.